welcome to the dashboard of Razorpay. This is a video tutorial how you're going to do that. So as I said, you have to create an account on Razorpay. First of all, you have to sign up, right? After signing it up, you'll have to put your legal identity name, the documents which would be required to do your KYC. You can see my account is already showing account activated. Congratulations, your KYC has been successfully verified and your account has been activated, right? So this will take 24-48 hours, something like that time. Once you do all this, you put your name, you fill in all your addresses, the GST number, you have to link your bank account and everything. So once you do this KYC process will take around 24 to 48 hours. Again, it has to be business hours. And once it is done, you will be able to see this, correct? Once you are done, once your KYC is done, Razorpay allows you to create your pages. You can create pages also, but you cannot receive the payment unless and the KYC is done, right? So once you are done, you come to this dashboard and you can see on the left pane, you will have home transaction, settlement, invoices, payment links, payment pages. So what you have to do is, you have to go to the payment pages, right? Click on the payment pages and you can see we have multiple pages made here and we have received multiple payments, right? Now here what you have to do is, you have to go to create payment page. On the right hand side, you can see there is a button called create payment page. So click on here and it will ask you to choose from any of the templates depending upon your business. Let's say if you want to sell an event or a ticket, if you want to accept donations, you want to sell a product directly, or you want to collect fee, or if you don't want to anything, you can just click on here which is saying create your own. So you can click on use this template. So now the logo and the name which you have already put in on the data on the portal and they have already verified you. Now it will ask you to say create a page title here. Let's say I'm putting a test page, correct? And here you can also put some images or something. Let's say if you want to put some image, you can just here you can see page description is there. So in the page description, you can again put it here. This is a test page for demo. That's it. If you want to put some image, you can click on the image here. You can put any video. You can select any of the image which you want. Let's say I want to put an image here, and just for the sake of example, I'm putting it here. So I've uploaded an image, correct? So this kind of image you can put some text, and you can also put your social media icons if you want. And here, obviously, since these things are already pre-filled, so don't need to do anything else. Here on the right hand side, you can see it is asking about amount and price. So here, mostly what you have to do is you have to, because your price would be fixed. So you can put a price. Let's say I'm putting it as 99. Correct? Click on this button, so your amount is fixed. Now nobody can change this amount. Now there is an option of email, phone number. If you want to add something new, you can select here input field. Let's say I want to put name. Name is not mentioned here, so let's say I select this and I want to ask for the name. So I just put in here name and I click on save. If you want to change the position, you can just drop and drag name, email and phone number. That's it. And here your button is okay. So once you are done, you can just create and publish page. So click on this button and your page is created. Now this is asking to customize. If you want to customize your URL, you can see there is a slug here after the slash. Here is a slug. If you want to edit, customize, you can click on customize URL, and here you can put your own that you don't need to remember. Let's say I put test 1 2 3 4 just for example, and it will also ask you to the next step. Once somebody has done the payment, what do you want to do? So after successful payment, what action you want? Show custom message or redirect to your website. So you can select either of the two. If you want to say thank you for the payment, let's say thank you for the payment, right? You can put this custom message, or if you want to redirect, you can redirect to, let's say, www.thebusinessutopia.com, right? So this kind of a customization you can do for it. Now it is also asking you to get hyperlink button if you want. This is not required, you can do it later on, correct? So this kind of a thing you have to do, and once you do it, you can just save it. Okay, so it is saying this is very common, so don't use this kind of a test trial. I could do better. Trial 242. Let me see whether it is taking it or not. Yes. So it is done. So go to the dashboard. I can see your payment page has already been created. And you can see the slug is trial 242, right? So this kind of a thing you can do. Now what you have to do is, whenever you want this people to pay you from this link for 99 rupees you've already set up, you can just copy it and share this link with anybody who can directly pay through multiple options. So this is as simple as that. The major thing here is to verify your account within RBI guidelines, that your account is able to receive payments, and it has to be recorded, right? You cannot just get payment without any record, because the norms are you have to follow the norms of the government, right? That's it. So if you do this, you will be able to create, and once you are able to do it, your receiving of payment becomes easier, and you don't need to give any of your account number, IFSC code or something. Just give this link, people will click on this link, people will be able to route themselves either to a net banking, credit card, debit card, any UPI method or any payment wallet. They can directly pay you and you will receive the payment in your account. Now Razorpay again have certain business model in which they take some commission on the payment which you receive, right? So let's say if you are receiving 100 rupees, if you have created a 100 rupees link, so you'll be getting 100 minus 1%, 2% depending upon the plan of Razorpay which you have chosen. So that's it. And it may again take time, because normally it is T plus 2 days, transaction plus 2 days you will be getting it. If you opt for a better version, maybe you get on the same day. So that kind of option you can go and check on the setting. But that is again a secondary thing. You'll be getting the payment the way we have already told you. So that's it in this particular tutorial. Looking forward to see you in some other one. See you. Bye-bye.